Uheani wa motungata rungu rwa mubango wa SHA thiini wa mathibitari maria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya rufa undu umwe na makanitha no meguthie na mbere guthingitha amurugamiriri wa ngwataniro ici ni wihitite no nginyagia marihwo mathire mbere ya macokereirie motungata macio. Makiaria mbere ya kamiti ya Ambunge, ngwataniro ici ciugite mathina maria mathiururukiirie mubango uyu ni wagi wa mbeca amu thirikari ndikoretwo ikirekereria kigina kiiganu gia gutangikira motungata kuri arwaru aria maramatha utungata thibitari-ini cia gikiro kia level 1, level 2 undu umwe na level 4.
SHIF offers bed and breakfast. They pay your bed. They are not paying the bill in total. They are paying so much for every day you stay in the hospital. And hospitals have worked very hard to reduce length of stay. So if they are paying per day, many admissions are 3 days, 4 days the patient leaves.
Ciuria cia uria marihi ma urigiti wa mirimu ihanaine makoretwo na ngurani kaunti-ini itiganite nicio yumiririe o ringi kamiti ino ikiorota ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kumana na gukinyaniria maundu mugaru na uria meraniire.
Comment. Is this disparity in the cost of treatment for malaria in Seme and Nyeri town constituency? Malaria is malaria, the tests are the same, the medication is the same. Why should the same disease come at a different cost in Seme and Nyeri town and Moyale?
Hamwe noguo rufa nitariirie mathina kiheri maria maragerera amu gicunji kia 87 hari igana ya thibitari ici ihinyiriirio kunyihia namba ya aruti a wira kumana na wagi wa mbeca cia gukinyaniria motungata magaciru.
The only way to solve portability is to allow Kenyans to access primary health care anywhere. And the way you do that is you dissolve barriers between regions. So we don't have to use technology to create portability.
Maya magithiaga na mbere kiama kia rigiti gia KMPDU hamwe na ngwataniro ya aruti a wira wa muingi ni matetetie mirutire ya wira bodi-ini ya SHA na kuga ni gumeirwo ni ungumania na makendekithia bodi ino ebunjwo.
So essentially, public servants here, the civil servants are contributing twice. They forfeited their medical allowance, and at the same time, they're contributing 2.75%. But this scheme has fallen short of expectation of the civil servants. If they have failed, then we'll be left free to look for alternatives, because we have been very systematic and we have been very patient with the Ministry of State for Public Service.
Ciama ici hamwe noguo maheanite ihinda ria thiku 14 SHA inyorokie maundu na kwaga uguo manyitanire na aruti a wira wa muingi mugomo-ini kwambiriria tariki 18 mweri-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.